Alright, today we're going to review how to properly fix a ball mark on the greens. As you can see here, I've made a pretty good mark as I've approached into the green with my shot. We want to make sure that we repair the ball marks for turf conditions to maintain the health of the green. So to repair a ball mark, you're going to take either a tool like this, or even a tee will work. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you put the mark back in on itself and get all the grass back in, nice like that. And then you'll take your putter or a wedge and you'll tap it down nicely so that it's nice and flat. This helps the grass grow back much quicker and maintains the health of the green.